If you're in your 20s, you probably have a laundry list of financial goals, like paying off your student loans or saving toward home ownership. Investing for retirement is probably somewhere toward the bottom of the list. So why does everybody tell you to start now? Time can be either your best friend or your worst enemy. If you start now, your money has more time to potentially grow and compound. This is key because you want your money to make money. That way, you don't have to. So how do you get started? Begin with small amounts to help yourself build the habit of investing. And as your income grows, you can consider upping your investing. The other thing to remember when investing in your 20s is that there's lots of time in front of you, so it's important to invest like an adult. Here are 3 general rules that might help you as you're getting started. 1. Diversify your investments. Don't just invest in stocks or crypto. Bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs can help you diversify. 2. Don't be reactive. Since you won't need this money for years to come, it's often better to let it sit than trying to beat the market. 3. Keep an eye on your investments as you go. As your goals evolve, make sure you're staying actively involved in matching your investments to those new goals. If you're ready to start growing your money, SoFi Invest can take the stress out of investing, no matter your experience level. Sign up for SoFi Invest today on the SoFi app or SoFi.com.